Under the bright forest canopy, a lone crow perches high, a tempting piece of cheese clutched in its beak. A fox appears below, its hungry gaze drawn upwards, fixated on the crow and its prize. The fox's tail twitches with anticipation, its body language betraying its intense desire for the cheese. Sunlight filters through the leaves as a fox gazes up at a crow perched high in a leafy tree. The crow, with cheese in its beak, is the object of the fox's intense admiration. "Oh, crow, your voice must be the sweetest in the forest. Please sing for me," the fox implores. Sunlight catches the crow's sleek feathers as it perches high in the forest canopy, filling the air with its song. Cheese plummets through the leaves, a flash of red, and the fox snatches it with cunning eyes. "Thank you for the snack." The fox eats the cheese, a smug expression on its face.